para sa sarili lamang. Walang sino man ang namamatay para sa sarili lamang. Cover me within your mighty hand. When the oceans rise and thunders roar, I will soar with you above the storm. Father, you are king over the flood. I will be still, know you are God. Lumilipas ang panahon, kabiyak ng ating gulita. Ang mga puno't halaman, bakit kailangang lumisan? Panapanahon ng pagkakataon, may babalik ba ang kahapon?
Tatanda at lilipas rin ako, ngunit mayroong awiting iiwanan sa inyong alaala. Dahil minsan tayo'y nagkasama. Masasayang mga araw na kasama kita. Pagdalambing at kulit mo na hindi nakakasawa. Punong-puno ng ligaya ang ating pagsasama, na parang wala nang sisira ng lahat. Bakit ba dumating ang oras na ito? Nabalitaan ko na wala ka na. Sabi mo hindi mo ko iwan, di pa ba bayan na ako'y mag-isa? Di ba't sabi mo sabay tayong tatanda? Bakit bigla ka na lang nandyan sa kabilang buwan? Tabi.
Sabi ikaw. Yan.
Tabi na kayo ni Tete. Tapos sing kayo. Oh. Sing na dali.
Sabi ko.
Sing ka na yan.
Oh, nahulog yung tayayang ko. Kanta pa rin ang kanta eh.
Oh, ayan na. Yang, kanta na. Ikaw pa rin sa susunod na habang buhay. Ay.
Back when I was a child, before life removed all the innocence, my father would lift me high and dance with my mother and me, and then spin me around till I fell asleep. Then up the stairs he would carry me, and I knew for sure I was loved. If I could get another walk, another dance with him. I'd play a song that would never, ever end. How I'd love, love, love to dance with my father again.
I'm screaming at the God I don't know if I believe in, 'cause I don't know what else I can do. I'm still holding on to everything that's dead and gone. I don't wanna say goodbye, 'cause this one means forever. Now you're in the stars and 6 feet's never felt so far. Here I am alone between the heavens and the embers. Oh, it hurts so hard. For a million different reasons, you took the best of my heart and left the rest in peace.